You can create a mandala design much quicker if you are using a script in PaintShop Pro. Let's create one. Let's start the script, and the script will generate a blank image that is fairly large. It's 5000 by 5000 pixels, and it will create some guides. Now, using the brush tool, I can draw whatever I want inside that guided, inside that section. There are some white dots to help me if I want to get something more even, etc. So now let's start drawing. Now let's see what can be done when this design is going to be repeated. So let's continue. And I'm done. I don't need any other layers. And here is the mandala all done. You can now save it as a PNG and use it in your project. Now it's your turn. Have fun.